using rechargeable lights and a Streamlight. Okay, so when you buy a Streamlight, it comes with these ones, most of them, these, sorry, CR123A batteries. These, I believe, are 1400 milliamp hours. The psychic part is these are not rechargeable, and Streamlight does not make a rechargeable version. So if you go to Amazon and look up some rechargeable batteries, if you go ahead and put any of these rechargeable batteries in this Streamlight, you're going to blow it up and it's not going to work. And Streamlight says do not use rechargeable batteries in it for that very reason. But there is a solution to you have rechargeables, and Surefire actually makes these guys. So these are rechargeable, but they are only, I believe, 400 milliamp hours. So they're a little under a third the capacity of one of these, but they are rechargeable, so that's super nice. So you don't have to worry about buying new batteries all the dang time for your lights. You can just plug it in the charger and call it a day. Streamlight's website, they say that this one can go for about an hour and a half on high or about 21 hours on low. So with the rechargeable, you're only going to get about a third of that. So about half hour on high and about 7 hours on low, which honestly for camping, low is plenty good, and 7 hours, I'll take it without having to, you know, buy new batteries all the time. So it's up to you whether you want to run rechargeables in this or not, but if you do, make sure you get the Surefire. I have not found any other rechargeables that will work for it. If you have any, please put those in the comments below. But yes, you can use rechargeables, but you have to use the specific Surefire ones. I'll put a link to those in the description below. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.